In this video, we are going to talk about the 4 best artificial intelligence tools for your online business. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. We realize the necessity of incorporating artificial intelligence tools to ramp up your e-commerce business and enhance your sales in 2022. According to Jeff Huter, CTO Certona, AI has been powering retail for years, yet merchants have only been scraping the surface of what's possible. A combination of the proper technology and an intelligent approach to adoption and data management will enable all shops reap the benefits of AI. When you are an e-commerce store owner, all you want to do is enhance conversions while saving both your money and time. This is where artificial intelligence for e-commerce comes into place. Number 4. INVIDEO. Even if you've never edited a movie before, you won't have any trouble using INVIDEO because it's an easy-to-use online video editor that will let you make videos in a matter of minutes that are of professional quality. The platform is equipped with pre-made templates that can be customized, stock footage, and an editor that is extremely user-friendly and intuitive. An editor that is simple to use, such as INVIDEO, is ideal for a company that wants to improve the quality of the video material it produces without making a significant financial or time commitment. It also includes tools for altering text and audio, in addition to a wide variety of tools for customizing various aspects of video. You get access to millions of stock movies, photographs, animations, filter effects, and music tracks when you use INVIDEO. There is also a branding function available in INVIDEO, which enables you to quickly add your company's name and logo to any video with only a few clicks. The text-to-video tool that INVIDEO provides enables you to repurpose your existing content in a variety of ways. You can also repurpose the material of your videos for use on other platforms by duplicating your videos using aspect ratios that are more appropriate for use on those other platforms. Filmer is a smartphone app that was developed by INVIDEO that enables users to produce videos on a variety of different devices. If you want to produce videos that appear both attractive and professional in a matter of minutes, this is the tool for you to use. If you are new to video editing, INVIDEO also has a ton of video editing tutorials that you can find on their blog and YouTube channel. These tutorials will help you create films that will make your brand's marketing approach stand out from the competition. Number 3. Jasper AI. With Jasper AI, you may create content without having to write it yourself thanks to artificial intelligence, AI. With the aid of Jasper, a super duper can be produced quickly. You don't need to perform any study or brainstorm ideas since Jasper AI will do the legwork and find the stuff you require. In 2020, Dave Robenmoser established Jasper AI in Austin, Texas. Co-founding and serving as CEO of Jasper at the same time is Dave Robenmoser. They are in excellent hands because Y Combinator, a well-known venture financing firm, funds and supports Jasper AI. This AI authoring tool has also gone by the titles Jarvis AI and Conversion AI. And occasionally, people may refer to it as Jarvis AI by accident because, to be honest, Jarvis AI was quite great. Now that you are aware of what Jasper AI is, let's find out who can profit from Jasper's genius. Actually, anyone involved in internet business can profit from using Jasper, but the people listed below can really benefit from the technology. There are startups everywhere, and new ones are forming every day on every street corner. Jasper AI may be one such tool that can provide your firm some breathing room if you're a first-time online business owner who is having trouble raising money or is running low on cash. Jasper can save you a ton of time and money, even if you have good funding. I believe you should really consider seeing what Jasper AI can do for your firm, particularly if you are the owner of a young company that runs a digital or other kind of communication agency. Given how frequently I observe discussions regarding Jasper AI on various blogging communities, I may assume that many individual bloggers are well-versed in this technology. Whether you're a freelance writer and don't have the money to hire pricey content writers, I must advise you to give Jasper a shot and see if it can actually assist you with your blog posts. Using Jasper AI on another blog and testing it out has proven to be really successful for me. Not only did it perform really effectively, but it also saved me a ton of my valuable time. Jasper AI helps copywriters create short-form text with just a few clicks, so it's not just for bloggers and long-form content. With this application, which can write FB ads, Google ads, targeted emails, and much more, you can speed up the process of generating ads. It takes a lot of work to brainstorm and analyze competitor ad copy, so why not use Jasper AI instead, which can handle it all for you. Number 2. Rytr. Rytr is an AI-powered content creation software that can create written material on your behalf. The algorithms that power Rytr are trained on historical data so that they can generate stories that are original and captivating, have the appropriate tone and style, and are also grammatically correct. Your essay will be done in a little under an hour thanks to the AI writing helper that Rytr provides, and there won't be any need for human participation. In its present iteration, Rytr is capable of producing text for a wide range of subject matters and specializations, such as articles on sports, articles on business, reviews, blog posts, articles on technology, and so on. Character count, word count, and a tone checker all make the process of content development much simpler and more expedient. A check for plagiarism can verify that the content you have is of the greatest quality. Checking your writing for grammatical errors will bring it up to the level of a professional. Find out what aspects of your idea perform well by producing content using our extensive idea database, which has over 2,000 different ideas. Utilizing Form Generator, you can add a personalized and professional touch to your material. Sign in to rytr.me so that your work may be saved. The Rytr software is designed to assist users in increasing their writing speed. It is an excellent instrument for bloggers and content writers who are tasked with the production of a significant number of articles. In addition, members of Rytr have the ability to seek for article inspiration or even compose their articles in real time. The fact that Rytr does not have recipes like Jasper does is a major flaw in his plan. You have greater control over the AI's output because to Jasper's granular customization options. If you are seeking for an AI that can write stories, Rytr is an excellent choice. However, Jasper is a better option if you require more power. Number 1. adcreative.ai. An incredibly potent tool called adcreative.ai is used to design stunning ad campaigns. It is a platform that makes data-backed, highly effective advertisements for publishers and advertisers. Using machine learning algorithms, this software evaluates the effectiveness of millions of ads and generates a small number of new ones based on which ones perform the best. By making it simple to create ads that are specifically tailored to a given target audience, adcreative.ai enables you to increase your ad revenue. For me, this program has saved my life. I used to spend hours each day creating customized ads, but thanks to adcreative.ai, I can now sit back and relax while all takes care of business. Anyone who wants to make better ads needs to have this tool. If you want to create better ads, I definitely suggest adcreative.ai. It's simple to use adcreative.ai. All you have to do is link your accounts, upload your logo, and set the color to establish brand guidelines. In order to download or push the graphic to Facebook or Google, you must first select the creative size, add some text, make some adjustments, upload additional product graphics, and align the elements. To test them all, you must invest numerous hours in hiring a pricey agency and trying out various designs. You require a tool that can produce the creative and high-performing assets you require while saving you time and money. adcreative.ai takes care of everything automatically, freeing up your time so you can concentrate on growing your business. The majority of the current ad creation tools are difficult for beginners to use, making it impossible for individuals and small businesses to create effective ads without spending tens of thousands of dollars on design or development firms. Nevertheless, adcreative.ai is a platform that enables small businesses to use AI-powered design without having any design expertise. Here, all you have to do is type in what you want your advertisement to say, and AI will handle the rest. Conclusion. The key to success with artificial intelligence tools is to keep things as straightforward as possible. It must have a wide range of functions, each of which must be distinctive, in addition to being user-friendly and simple to comprehend. Your bottlenecks and points of pain will be addressed by the digital marketing tools that are the best fit for you, and those tools will offer their services as a solution. To ensure that you are covering all of the bases in terms of optimizing your workflow and producing quality content that contributes to the expansion of your brand, we recommend concentrating on one of the finest internet marketing tools from each area on this list. Check out robertocastillo.com in-depth if you want to learn more about how you can level up your business by utilizing video content and social media in order to achieve your goals. And if you prefer learning through videos, you should absolutely check out our YouTube channel, where we provide tips for the creation of videos, the most recent video trends and ideas, and help you make more money as a maker of videos. What do you think of this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.